occasions there have been engagement that has happened between the government and the CJP representatives. Latest that happened yesterday, and today we are expecting another round of discussion to take place where the government has asked for more time, especially when it comes to the specific demand on the resignation of the education minister. However, it has agreed in principle to the other demands as far as what the CJP was seeking: suitable compensation for the families of the NEET aspirants who died by suicide, also withdrawal of the cases against peaceful protesters, and a written assurance that no new cases will be filed against them. Let's listen in.
दिन का टाइम दिया था 3:30-4 बजे का, जो भी कंफर्मेशन होगा आपको बता देंगे। लोकेशन अभी तक फाइनलाइज नहीं हुई है। डिस्कशन बहुत साफ है। हमने बाकी जो 2 डिमांड्स है जिस पे इन प्रिंसिपल एग्रीमेंट है उसमें रिटर्न कंफर्मेशन मिल जाए ताकि वो क्लोज हो। और धर्मेंद्र प्रधान पे हमें क्लैरिटी चाहिए कि आप इस्तीफा लेंगे या नहीं लेंगे, हाँ या ना में अब जवाब चाहिए, क्योंकि अब इसमें विचार का कोई बहुत स्कोप नहीं है।
Let's connect with Kritika on this. So Kritika, what time and where we are looking at this third round of meeting to happen?
Well, we are expecting it to take place around 3:34 this evening. Possibly Constitution Club is again going to be the location of choice, as the centre does not want to come and meet the leadership at the Jantar Mantar protest site, and the CJP leadership has also conveyed that they will not be meeting in the residence of any of the union ministers as well. The agenda again remains on achieving a sort of a middle ground or on part of the government, but the protesters continue to say that for them the discussions would begin with the commitment of getting the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Even we were also just there at Jantar Mantar, and the protesters, some of them even had to say that even this resignation will not be enough, as there is a deeper frustration regarding unemployment and lack of other job opportunities, the pay scale as well as rising inflation as well. So they say that even if the resignation is secured, the trust deficit might continue and the movement might also overlast any such resignation as well. So this is coming in at a time wherein the government has not even confirmed anything on this aspect. What they have had, in fact, spoken to in written has been the communication that has come in via Sonam Wangchuk, who had stated that the government has said that all discussions pertaining to the NEET paper leak will take place in the parliament, and there will be a consideration for the education minister's resignation as well. So far in these days, we've seen many colleges, however, also come out in the support of Mr. Pradhan, putting up posters on their official university and college pages, in fact defending him and stating that even God can make mistakes, but that does not mean God is punished. So even such statements in support of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan has also come in at a time wherein thousands of, in fact, protesters continue to remain at the Jantar Mantar protest site.
Absolutely, because that seems to be the point that we are now looking at. Today being a weekend, they were expected that the crowds may swell at Jantar Mantar. We'll get you an update coming in from the designated protest site on what's the opinion there, because the third round of meeting is expected to happen in a short while from now. And one demand that has remained consistent is that seeking the resignation of the education minister. Let's play that out.
It has been 5 days since the Chalo Sansad protest march called by the Cockroach Janata Party, wherein we saw thousands of young protesters storm into the national capital. Despite 5 days, we're seeing in fact crowds continue to swell at Jantar Mantar. But the core demand here of the resignation of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, that is the banner that one such young protester is also carrying. You'll be able to see sloganeering all across the Jantar Mantar area. Remains in fact populated by young protesters from the entry point till the very end. Now yesterday we saw the CJP also in fact engage in discussions with the Cockroach Janata Party, and they have given their in principle acceptance for like 2 of their demands as well. In fact, we've spoken to a lot of these protesters who say that just resignation will not meet the end of the movement as well. Few of them also had to say that there are other frustrations, other issues and other leaks in the system that they want to be addressed. Now today, this afternoon, we will be hearing of another round of talks between the centre as well as the Cockroach Janata Party leadership, and once again showing you how people are also camping in this very area. They have set up their mats, their bed sheets, and this is wherein a lot of them even spend the night, and then in the morning and in the evening hours rejuvenate themselves to contribute further into the protest.